I'm at the Bluefield Coal and Mining Show. I'm on the Richwood booth with Kevin Malloy, the Chief Operating Officer. Kevin, thank you very much for speaking to us today.
Thanks.
How was the show for you?
It's been great. We've had a lot of traffic from the time we came in the gate until just now.
And tell us about the history of Richwood. Richwood is a household name in the coal industry.
Well, I'm pleased to hear that. Thank you. We started the company in 1976. We have been focused on specialty engineered conveyor components and problem solving on conveyors since 80. And we have, from the time I started in 84, grown from a group of 8 individuals to about 230 now. And we work around the world.
Tell us about your plant and the employees.
Well, currently we manufacture in 4 separate operations in Huntington, West Virginia. We batch specialty rubber compounds from raw materials. We have in-house CNC machining, investment castings, and fabrication and assembly, in-house engineering. Many folks have grown up in the company, like myself. We're a first-generation company, which has been a real thrill for me to have a hand in watching the company grow, and people come and join us along the way. And we have a great dedicated crew of folks that really share our common objectives.
I know that safety in this industry is of paramount importance, and one of the challenges on belt conveyors is to contain the dust. I know you want to talk about that.
Certainly. Everything Richwood does is focused on problem solving and efficiency in operation on conveyors. Conveyors are intended to move 100% of product from the loading point to the discharge point. There are things that happen along the way that make that challenging. Dust emission, material turbulence that transfers, trying to keep that material where it belongs on the conveyor and keep it from where it does not is where we place our focus. And we've done a lot of design on products over the years that are practically oriented. They are designed for performance first and for maintenance-friendly use secondly, and they perform extremely well, and we are a results-focused design group.
Tell us, if you would, the specification of the typical high-capacity long-wall belt conveyor in a coal mine in this country.
Well, you encouraged me to dig back into the cobwebs, because when I started, a big belt conveyor was 48-inch wide, and it was 500 feet per minute fast. These days, we work on conveyors that are 72 and 84-inch wide, with a few even 96-inch wide in the underground coal industry. Belt speeds of 800 feet per minute to 1,000 feet per minute are common. Tonnage conveyed 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 ton per hour is common, and we have grown with those operating standards to be able to meet the challenges associated with the improvements in the industry.
And with these big conveyors, that's when the dust challenge begins, and that's where your company comes in.
Yes, sir. More material, more speed, more volume accelerates and amplifies the challenge. And we have been able to design systems and install systems that will allow material in transfer to settle and stabilize on the conveyor, completely contained, and we run the containment through a series of chambers, which are passive, no vacuums, no dust collection of sorts, but we have a system that allows the dust to settle back onto the mainstream of material, and by the time it exits this material containment system, everything is riding where it should be.
So how do you see the future of Richwood?
Well, one of our points of focus is to become a 100-year company. We're only 46 now, and growing, as I'd said, and we work around the world in all types of industries, but coal has been our foundation, our cornerstone for years, and we continue to focus heavily on the coal industry. We find our clients are mining at capacities not before seen for export primarily, and we want to be a part of that as long as there is a need. and people like it when the lights come on when you flip the switch. People like it when the air conditioning comes on when you adjust the thermostat. Coal will always be a part of that, in my humble opinion.
Kevin, thank you very much indeed for talking to us. This is Bill Reed at the Brushfork Armory and Civic Center, Bluefield, West Virginia, at the Bluefield Coal and Mining Show.